the ultimate packing list for travel to Cook Islands. The Cook Islands, a South Pacific paradise, offers stunning lagoons, white sand beaches, and tropical vegetation. But packing for this destination can be challenging. Let's simplify it with an ultimate packing list. 1. Lightweight clothing. Pack shorts, skirts, t-shirts, and tank tops made from breathable fabrics like cotton or linen. 2. Sundresses, perfect for a casual evening out or beach wear. 3. Swimwear. You'll be spending a lot of time in the water. 4. Light sweater or cardigan. It can get chilly in the evenings. 5. Comfortable shoes. Sandals, flip-flops, or sneakers for exploring, and water shoes for walking on coral reefs. 6. Hat and sunglasses. Protect yourself from the bright sunshine. 7. Lightweight rain jacket, especially if you're visiting from November to April. 1. Sunscreen. The sun can be intense, so pack a high SPF sunscreen. 2. Insect repellent. Keep mosquitoes and other insects at bay. 3. Toiletries. Don't forget your personal care items. 4. Medication. Bring any prescription medication and over-the-counter remedies. 5. First aid kit. Always handy to have. 1. Camera. Capture the breathtaking scenery. 2. Mobile phone. Stay connected with loved ones. 3. Power bank. Keep your devices charged. 4. Adapter. The Cook Islands use Type 1 power sockets. Other essentials. 1. Beach towel. Some hotels may provide towels, but it's good to have your own. 2. Snorkeling gear. Explore the incredible coral reefs. 3. Waterproof phone case. Protect your phone from water damage. 4. Cash. Handy for small purchases and tips. 5. Travel documents. Don't forget your passport and visa. 6. Travel insurance. Protect yourself from unexpected events. 7. Reusable water bottle. The Cook Islands have clean and safe drinking water. 8. Books or e-reader. Enjoy during your downtime. Packing for the Cook Islands requires planning, but with this list, you're set for a comfortable and enjoyable vacation. Remember, pack lightweight clothing, toiletries, electronics, beach essentials, and other travel essentials. Enjoy your time in this stunning island paradise.